Students choose Apollo Career Center to prepare for a successful future in construction equipment technologies. In this program, they will learn how to operate many pieces of equipment from skid loaders, backhoes, excavators, bulldozers, dump trucks, forklifts. They will learn how to utilize hand tools as well as surveying equipment. Upon completion, they will be able to get a job for excavating contractors, construction companies, possibly with surveyors, and when they get their CDL, they can get a job driving for trucking companies. This program can be the building block for post-secondary engineering degree, or they can get into an apprenticeship program for operating heavy equipment. At Apollo, we care about the success of our students. If you're interested in attending Apollo Career Center, please see your guidance counselor.